Meanwhile, 50 families are still marooned in McNeil lands in Westmoreland. The community was flooded on the weekend after heavy rains. The Red Cross has started to distribute food packages to those affected.
The McNeil land community is inundated with water. Sections of it are traversable, but a lot of sections are totally flooded. So we have come out as the Jamaica Red Cross, a part of the Westmoreland Parish Disaster Committee. In response. The packages you see us distributing have come through the MLSS, and so the team, the Westmoreland Parish team, is here to distribute these packages.
In the meantime, Parish Health Promotion and Education Officer in the Westmoreland Health Department, Gerald Miller, says it's important for residents not to wade in the water.
Puddles of waters like these, they are at risk for leptospirosis because animals can urinate in the water, and by the persons wading or traversing through the water, the organism, the germ, can penetrate the resident's skin, and by the penetration of the germ in their skin, it can result in these individuals getting leptospirosis.